Contenders have 1 minute to climb 30 feet. 10 points for getting to the top first, 5 for coming second, or for just clinging on, and no points if a gladiator removes them. A summit that slants. Gladiators in hot pursuit. Welcome to the war.
Contenders, ready! Ellie, you will go on my second whistle. 3, 2, 1.
So a fast start is imperative for this event. And here come the gladiators. Though, wonder if Ellie might do well in this event. She's certainly been practicing, and she thinks she's able to take her time. This is wonderful from Ellie. Is that it though? That is it! Super attempt from Ellie.